So ayun ang mga sports, SJ Del Monte Team 3 versus Pasay Philippine Team 2, no? Pinoy versus Pinoy. Napakagandang match-up nito mga sports kasi bata versus bata. Napakagandang chemistry between these two teams mga sports, pero isa lang po ang pwedeng manalo. Halika tignan natin mga sports ang ilang highlights ng kanilang laro.
Number 3 is Jeff Proud in the 2020 PBA draft. Here's Etulie working on Crisostomo. Tough reverse, including the Anta 3x3, the Manila Challenger last year. Herndon gets inside and Caballero on the catch and shoot. Got it. Manday knocks it in. And the miss by Torculas. Crisostomo putting A-boards. Hurt for Pasay. Cut here by Hawkins and a layup. Cut by Puno. Puno spots up and does not get the lucky bounce. Big rebound. Etulie reverse is good. Gonna be his teammate with San Beda. Yep. Puno working on Hawkins. Etulie gets away from Caballero. Left open. And he makes them pay. It will fade away against of the 10 of Pasay. Nice little alley-oop. That's the Manila teams. This Manila Challenger. Both are wild card. Crisostomo to Caballero. Caballero for 2. Got Manday. Pass inside. Puno on the line to shoot. Puno working on the smaller Hawkins and puts it in. Puno. Puno. Big board. And another answer. So shot clock reset to 12. Puno gets away and despite the hustle by just the second field goal for Jeff Manday. He's got 3 points. Caballero. Herndon, 32 years old, of Phil. Good sounds from our DJ and play. To wild card. Herndon from outside. 2 is good. Put it away here. And that's a one-pointer slam dunk by Puno. J. Del Monte. Torculas. Only need a point. It's not there yet. Nice block by Hawkins, but Herndon.
So ayun ang mga sports, no, literal na Pinoy versus Pinoy. Team 3 versus Team 2, no. Ayun na nalaglag ng SJ Del Monte sa sunod-sunod nilang dalawang talo between Fingorola at Pasay team. Anong masasabi ninyo sa match-up nila mga sports? Comment your thoughts below, like, share, subscribe at pahit ng bell para updated tayo pareho sa mga ganitong upload. So paano? Ingat po kayo. Mga sports, kung hilig ninyong bumili ng mga Gilas jersey, Gilas accessories at mga gamit na pang basketball habang nanonood po kayo sa aking mga videos, kindly check this basket on this lower part ng ating video at magpa-pop up yung ating mga items sa gilid. Mga legit po yung mga items dyan and see to it po na makabili po kayo ahead of time kasi meron po yung mga discounts and mga promos depende po sa seller. And also, kunting suporta din as a content creator po. Salamat!